Hi there everyone, it's Kieran here at Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today I want to bring you our next in the series of kind of Discovery Cruise videos, and I'm very excited to introduce to you Norwegian Cruise Lines, who are a fantastic cruise line, really good all-round cruise line that kind of have a little bit of something for everyone. So maybe if you're somebody who's travelling with kids, then you're going to find go-karts on board, water slides, really great youth activities, great programs like that. But then also if you may be a couple looking to get away and kind of experience that kind of couples retreat, then absolutely you've got fantastic spa, dining, drinks programs on board. But then also if you're somebody who likes to tour and travel, then Norwegian as well, just down to the sheer size. They have so many ships that sail to kind of every far corner of the world. So they have an itinerary that's bound to be perfect for you. So rather than me tell you, I've got now one of my colleagues at Norwegian Cruise Lines, Laura, who is going to kind of take some time out of her day very kindly to just kind of explain to you more about what Norwegian's about, because she can do it better than I can because she works for them. So other than that, guys, I'll hand you over to Laura.
Hello everyone, I'm Laura from NCL, Norwegian Cruise Line. Welcome aboard. I'm really excited to be able to talk to you about Norwegian Cruise Line and why a cruise on board NCL is different to some of the other cruise lines within the ocean cruising group. So what I'm going to be covering today is a bit about our ships, our destinations, life on board NCL. I'm going to show you first of all a quick video that really does sum up who NCL is and, like I say, why we're different to some of the other cruise lines out there. I'm going to turn my video off because then you won't have to look at me and enjoy the video. Thank you.
Pull back the shades on a blue sky, sunny day. Watch all the worries of the world just sail away. An ocean, keep your heart wide open. I'm too busy feeling this free. Hey, 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 come on and celebrate. Hey, 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 it feels so good, go ahead. Hey, 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 don't let a moment slip away. Perfect time, so let's go. Let's go ahead, open your eyes and free your soul. You picked the perfect time, so let's go, let's go. Taking a breeze with the magic kind of view. All that you need is right in front of you. So much to see, so much to do. I'm too busy feeling this free. Hey, 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 don't let a moment slip away. Hey, 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 it feels so good, go ahead and open your eyes and free your soul. You picked the perfect time, so let's go, let's go. Let's go.
So I hope you all agree that really does give you a real flavour as to why NCL is different to some of the other cruise lines. And it is all about feeling free at sea to cruise and holiday your way. And as our customers, it really does give you that choice, that freedom and that flexibility. And we call it at freestyle cruising within NCL. So we are literally working our way around the world within NCL. We have 18 ships within the NCL fleet, with another 4 ships on order in the next 4 years. So we have a brand new ship joining us next year. In August is Norwegian Prima, which we're very, very excited to be welcoming her to the fleet. We touch 122 different countries and visit over 300 different ports of call. So as you can see, we are literally working our way around the world. Europe is our main program, where we have 8 ships within Europe next year. But where we've really been seeing some trends of bookings is our bucket list destinations. Places like Antarctica, Alaska, Hawaii, Asia, even South Africa. Because I think people have been sat at home for the last 18 months, not being able to see friends and family, and really sort of sat there dreaming about their next holiday and that next destination that you'd love and always wanted to visit. And that's absolutely true. That's where we've really been seeing a lot of our business coming in, is really that unusual destination, like I say, that you've always dreamt of visiting. So that video really did sum up who NCL is, and we are all about freedom and flexibility at sea. Within NCL, you can wear whatever you want to wear. We don't have any dress codes on board NCL, so there's no formal night where you would need to put a black tie on or a posh dress if you didn't want to. Of course, at NCL, anything goes. So, ladies, if you wanted to put a nice dress on of an evening, you can do, or you can dress down. It's entirely up to you. We have an eat wherever you want to eat policy. So we have over 21 different dining venues on most of our ships. We don't have formal nights on board, and we don't have fixed seating or dining times. So basically, you don't have to be down at dinner at 8 o'clock every night, sat with the same people that you may not like every night. It really, again, gives you, as our customers, that choice, that freedom to be able to eat wherever you want, where you want, with who you want. And we have the stay where you want as well. So we have endless different types of staterooms on board NCL, ranging from our solo cabins right through to our luxury haven suites as well. So again, giving you the choice and the budget of choice as well. Something quite close to my heart, I have to be honest, is food. And we really do have the best dining at sea. We have our complementary dining options where we have 3 a la carte restaurants, one at the front, one at the back, and one in the middle. And it really is a beautiful experience to eat in our main restaurants, all a la carte style and all complementary. We also have our 24-hour snack restaurant, which you can see is you can eat and drink 24 hours. This is in usually our Irish local pub, O'Sheehan's, where you can grab something to eat if you've been out for the evening and you're a bit peckish before you go to bed. It really is a hub of the ship. We often have live music playing in there as well. And we have our buffet restaurant garden cafe. Really lovely restaurant, very bright, very airy, and it's lovely because you can literally work your way around all of the booking stations, all of the dining themed stations that we have on board. Some evenings we may have an Asian evening, or we may have an Italian themed night as well. And like I say, you can just walk around and help yourself to whatever it may be that you would like to eat. And what I really love about the Garden Cafe, again, is it's open 24 hours. And of course, we have our Haven restaurant as well, exclusive for our Haven guests who have booked in one of our Haven suites. Alongside that, we also have our speciality dining options as well. So if you are experiencing or celebrating something very special, maybe an occasion, a birthday on board, I would urge you to book one of our speciality dining venues. We have teppanyaki, our Asian fusion show of knives, show dining experience. I don't know whether any of you have been lucky enough to experience teppanyaki, but it is such a great experience to try. So there's a hot grill that you would all sit around, and you would have your own teppanyaki chef that would be there to prepare all of those amazing dishes for you in the form of a show. Again, great if you've got a special occasion. We have our Moderno, which is our Brazilian restaurant there. So if you've got the red and the green cards, green is meaning they will just keep bringing out those delicious meats to you. But please remember, if you are full, turn the card to red so they will stop sending the meats out. I fell for that myself and kept the card showing green, and they just kept bringing out those meats. Again, it's a lovely experience. You could be in there for a few hours, but it's just beautiful. The Cagney Steakhouse, the best steaks at sea, and I can absolutely vouch for that. There's something quite special sitting there having a beautiful steak, sipping a glass of red wine, just looking out to sea, just watching the world go by. Le Bistro, our French restaurant, and you could literally be sat in a little French restaurant in Paris, beautifully decor and just outstanding cuisine. Ocean Blue, which is our seafood restaurant, and our Onja by Scarpetta, which is our Italian restaurant. All of these, our speciality, they do hold a la carte charge. However, if you purchase those as one of the free at sea benefits, you will get those included within your price. And I will be covering that with you in a few minutes. Now, I'm sure we all love to see a show. It's a bit of a distant memory now, isn't it? But we do operate award-winning entertainment. All of our shows are straight from Broadway. They're all up to date, they're relevant. We have the Jersey Boys on board doing a 2.5-hour show on Norwegian Bliss. We have the Kinky Boots show, we have Footloose, we have Burn the Floor dance sensation, we have our Priscilla Queen of the Desert. All of our shows are outstanding and they're all straight from Broadway. Alongside that, if there are any Beatles lovers amongst you, we have a cavern club on board most of our ships, where we have tribute bands of the Beatles rocking the cavern club. Alongside that, we have live music playing in most of our bars on board as well. We have parties on top deck as well on sailorways. So really a real vibrant atmosphere on board NCL. We have our dinner shows as well in our Illusionarium. So you could be sat having dinner in our supper club with acrobats performing all around you. A real immersive dining experience and definitely well worth it. So, to give you a flavour of our award-winning entertainment, I have a short video to show you, and enjoy.
Hit it, boy.
This place, that'll rock this place.
From the beginning.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. Rock this place, rock this place.
From the beginning.
Wow. Every time I watch that video, my foot just keeps tapping. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, it really does give you a full flavour of the standard of the entertainment that you can expect on board NCL. I mentioned earlier, we are very family friendly. We do cater for every age group. We are multi-generational. And I always give a great example as if Granny and Granddad's taking the whole family away on a special cruise or holiday. Think of NCL because, like I say, we absolutely cater for every age group on board. We have family-friendly accommodation where we have suites that would sleep up to 5 people. We have complementary youth and teen programs. So we have kids clubs and teen clubs on board most of our ships. We do have aqua parks on some of our ships where they have the flumes. We have the climbing walls on some of our ships as well. And yes, we do have go-kart tracks on top of some of our ships. There's something quite surreal, believe me, sat in a go-kart whizzing around the top deck of a cruise ship. But great fun, an amazing experience. We also have bowling alleys as well on some of our ships. But we also have some of our ships, such as NCL Spirit or Norwegian Jade, where there is no aqua parks, no go-kart tracks. It simply is just pure deck space. So very great if you are a traditional cruiser that love the traditional type of cruise ship. So again, we do cater for every age and type of customer on board. Now, free at sea, this is who NCL is. So it gives you, our customers, the chance to add and bespoke what you would like to include within your holiday, rather than just assuming that you would want it all. It gives you the chance to add in various offers. So for £99 per person, you can choose 2 offers to include within your cruise. That could be our open bar, our speciality dining package, our shore excursion credit, or our Wi-Fi package. So basically, for as little as £99 per person, based on a 7-day cruise, you can choose 2 of those offers. The open bar, for example, just to give you an indication of the value of money that you're getting, if you were to purchase the open bar package on board NCL, you'd be paying $693 for it. But you're actually getting it alone for £99 for the whole cruise, as well as another package. So outstanding value for money, but more importantly, giving you the chance to pick what you would like to include within the cruise, and allowing you to bespoke what you would like, giving you that choice. So that's our free at sea, that's here to stay. And obviously the supplement would go up according to the duration of the cruise. So just in summary then, reasons to book NCL, why we're different to some of the other cruise lines out there within the ocean cruising group, is we are all about freedom. We're all about flexibility and choice within NCL. There's no timetable to follow. You cruise and you holiday your way. We have over 21 different dining venues on most of our ships, giving you the chance to dine with who you want, where you want, and whenever you want. We have endless amounts of different accommodation cabin choices, ranging from our solo staterooms, which hold no single supplement, right through to our haven suites. We offer award-winning Broadway-style entertainment, Footloose, Jersey Boys, Priscilla, Queen of the Desert, Kinky Boots. You can expect that within your cruise, free of charge, included in the cruise price. We go to 122 different destinations. There is endless amounts of destinations that you can visit on board NCL. And finally, I want to give you peace of mind and confidence that NCL offers a great number of health and safety protocols that are being followed from the start, from the minute you check in on your cruise, giving you that confidence level and that peace of mind. So if you'd like to get in touch, or if you've got any further questions, or you are looking to check pricing and availability, or know just a little bit more about NCL, then please reach out to your Not Just Travel consultant, who would be gladly there to assist you with anything that you may need. I hope that's given you a real flavour into NCL, and I just wish you a pleasant evening, and thank you very much for listening.
So how fantastic does that all sound? You know, their dining program and all the restaurants they have available really are fantastic. And free at sea, how cool a concept is that? So you get to pick and choose kind of what matters to you, what elements of the cruise are the most important to you, and kind of get to pick and customize your package based on your requirements rather than, you know, the cruise line telling you what they think you should have. How amazing is that? Obviously then, if you are thinking of taking a Norwegian cruise, then by all means do get in touch with us. We'd be more than happy to have a chat to you and help you work out which ship is the right ship for you, help you pick those free at sea packages, but then also help you then tailor-made that package as well if you wanted to. So you can obviously take one of their fantastic sailings to Australia, Asia, America, Europe, and then maybe add on a couple of days at land as well then, so you get to kind of really relax at the end of that cruise as well and just kind of enjoy the destinations that these ships do manage to get you to. So other than that, guys, all the best. I hope you have a great time, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.